Welcome to Our Daily Health. Constipation. 9 natural cures for constipation. Constipation accounts for 8 million annual hospital visits in the U.S. It affects people of all ages, and it can interfere with your quality of life. Furthermore, managing this condition is expensive, from diagnostic testing, prescription, and non-prescription medication. Usually, the disease can be short-term or long-term, chronic, and it can last for a few weeks or even longer. But guess what? There are many solutions to this problem. What is constipation? Symptoms and causes. Medically, this condition is referred to as passing less than 3 stools per week. In chronic or severe cases, less than 1 stool a week. Symptoms include a feeling of incomplete evacuation after passing stool, lower abdominal discomfort, psychological distress, and straining when having a bowel movement. Medical conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome, hypothyroidism, and lupus cause this problem. Pregnancy, lifestyle choices such as dehydration also cause decreased bowel movements. How does it happen? Difficulty in the passing stool occurs when your colon absorbs too much water from the waste, undigested food, resulting in difficulty to evacuate dry stool. During this time, food moves too slowly in your digestive tract, giving the colon, large intestine, more time to absorb water from the waste. Can constipation cause other health problems? Yes. Some complications can occur if you do not have a regular bowel movement or if the problem is left untreated. These complications include: number 1, hemorrhoids, inflamed and swollen veins in your rectum; 2, diverticulitis, infection in pouches that form in your intestines from the trapped stool; 3, fecal impaction, a pile of too much fecal waste in the rectum; number 4, pelvic floor muscle damage. Pelvic floor muscles control your bladder. When they're damaged, urine starts leaking, a condition known as stress urinary incontinence. This condition develops when you strain too much during bowel movements. 9 natural cures for constipation. There are many natural remedies for this condition, which you can do in the comfort of your home. Sounds great? Let's dig in. Number 1, consume more fiber. When you're feeling constipated, your doctor will tell you to increase your dietary fiber intake. Fiber increases the bulk and consistency of stool, making it easy to pass. A 2016 study by Alimentary Pharmacology and Therapeutics found that 77% of chronically constipated people benefited from fiber supplementation. Dietary fibers fall under 2 categories: soluble and insoluble fibers. Soluble fibers are present in barley, seeds, beans, nuts, oat bran, lentils, and peas. They are present in vegetables and fruits too. On the other hand, insoluble fibers are present in vegetables, whole grains, and wheat bran. They add bulk to the stool, making it pass through the digestive system quickly. Try to incorporate high fiber-rich foods into your diet to alleviate your symptoms. Number 2, consume probiotic foods. Yes, you heard that right. Probiotics improve gut health by encouraging the growth of good bacteria. But did you know they boost bowel movement? According to a 2019 study, 2 weeks of consumption of probiotics can treat the condition by improving stool consistency and frequency. They do this by promoting short-chain fatty acids production, reducing the colon's pH, and increasing bile salt metabolism. Try consuming probiotic-rich foods such as yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut. Besides this, try probiotic supplements, which are equally effective and are available in food stores. Number 3, avoid dairy products. Another natural remedy for this condition is avoiding dairy product intake. Dairy products have a reputation for being constipating. Are you wondering how? Well, here's the deal. Dairy foods have high fat and low fiber content, so the more you consume, the more your problem worsens if you are sensitive to dairy products. Dairy products include milk, cheese, cream, and butter. It would be best to swap these foods with fiber-rich foods to relieve yourself from constipation. If you are enjoying this video, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Our Daily Health. Number 4. Drink more water. Drinking enough water cannot be overemphasized. Water is vital for your health, and yes, it acts as a natural laxative. When you're constipated, you may find relief in drinking carbonated water. The Cleveland Clinic recommends drinking 2 or 4 extra glasses of water daily than the usual 8 glasses a day. If you dislike the bland taste, add fruit slices such as lemon. Alternatively, try fresh fruit and vegetable juices. They have an enzyme called sorbitol and high fiber, making them a natural laxative. Number 5. Exercise. Here's a bitter truth: lack of exercise negatively affects your bowel movement. According to Harvard University, people who exercise regularly don't get constipated because activity stimulates the colon. It doesn't end there. Exercise releases endorphins, the feel-good hormone that boosts circulation and motility. Exercises also improve muscle strength and circulation, which is key to having a healthy bowel movement. To benefit from this, perform simple exercises like walking, swimming, jogging, and cycling. Number 6. Add sweet potatoes into your diet. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of fiber that stimulates bowel motility. One medium-sized sweet potato has 3.6 grams of fiber, which sums to 14% of the RDI. This vegetable has both fibers, soluble, pectin, and insoluble fiber, lignin and cellulose. A 2016 study observed the effects of consuming sweet potatoes on chemotherapy patients. After 4 days of consuming 200 grams of vegetables, the participants experienced relief with less discomfort and strain compared to the control group. You can take them boiled, roasted, mashed, or steamed. Number 7. Drink coffee. That's right. Drinking coffee increases the urge to ease yourself because it stimulates your digestive muscles. Moreover, coffee also has soluble fiber that prevents this condition by encouraging the growth of gut bacteria, according to a PubMed.gov study. To experience relief from your symptoms, take at least 2 cups of coffee daily. Number 8. Take figs. Figs are a fantastic way to increase your fiber intake and boost healthy bowel habits. One raw fig has 1.5 grams of fiber. Furthermore, half a cup of dried figs has 7.9 grams of fiber. Figs also have an enzyme called actinidin, known to stimulate bowel movement alongside its rich fiber content. These fruits are delicious, and they pair well with sweet and savory dishes. You can have them raw, dried, or cooked. Number 9. Increase your magnesium intake. Magnesium is a key component that regulates the functionality of muscles and nerves in your body. But magnesium has an osmotic effect that draws water into the intestines when it comes to bowel movement. Additionally, it increases and softens stools, stimulating a bowel movement. Magnesium-rich foods include pumpkin seeds, peanuts, cashews, almonds, and spinach. Try to add these foods to your daily diet. However, you can use magnesium citrate and magnesium hydroxide to treat this condition, as recommended by the Cleveland Clinic Journal of Medicine. Bottom line, being unable to pass stool is uncomfortable and frustrating. However, adjusting your lifestyle as well as diet can put an end to constipation and help keep your bowel movements regular. Fluid intake, exercising, fiber intake, and consuming probiotics are all ways to help. Implement these remedies and bid goodbye to bowel movement difficulties. Which of these natural cures for constipation do you like best? Comment your answer below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health and wellness topics, please subscribe to Our Daily Health.